Hello, I'm Nicola. Today we're going to draw a character that I love, and that is the Lorax. So you're going to need a pencil and rubber to start off, and then if you want you can draw over with a black felt tip. 2B pencil, softer and easier to draw with, it goes on smoother and it rubs out better. So let's start. So the reason I like this little character is because he fights for the environment. So he fights for the trees and the animals. If you want to read the book, it's called the Lorax. So that eye is just going to come in here. And another reason why I like these books is when I was young, I struggled to read because I have dyslexia, and it made it difficult for me to learn to read. But I noticed the books, the Lorax books, because they were a poem and it had the rhythm, I could read better. So, oh, the picture's just going off the computer. I need that on. I don't, this isn't my drawing, I need to copy. I've got a little spike there. So yeah, so I learned how to read better because of these books. Another reason why I'm fond of them. So, right, I'll draw his moustache, little moustache. He's very cute. He's unusual, isn't he? But he's very, very cute. I like the Lorax. He's a little cutie. Okay, not as easy as some of the draw-alongs, this one, is it? Some of them are very smooth. So I'm just going to come into here, around here, and I'm going to just draw a line, stop, because it goes in, and then that one goes just like that. Not quite as easy. Well, it's good to draw easier ones and then move up maybe to this one. So he's got a little bit there, and then where are we? There we go. Sorry, I keep having to look at my drawing, the drawing on my computer of him, so I can see. I'm sorry, I've done it. Should have done this side first. There we go. Seem to have a better motion going now on this side. It's easier. There we go. It's got a long bit there, and then that comes in. Does it join the nose? It joins the nose. There we go. You just got a little cutie. Yeah. Right, now then, it's kind of an egg shape. So, let's have a look. Does that go behind me? Oh, my computer going off. So this goes into here, and we're going to go up and round, and I'm going to stop around here because something changes here. So I'll put a dot there. So I'm going to go up, how far up, nice and slow. No need to rush. And I'm going to stop there. Okay, reason I have stopped there is because he has fluffy bits now. So we're just going to do that. Nice and random. Okay, and then I need to stop soon because his arm's coming in. In fact, I'm going to draw his arm. How far does it come down? He's cute, isn't he? And I'm going to draw that bit as well. So now I know where to stop. There we go. Okay. And then under the arm, he's a little bit chunky. Done wrong side again, haven't I? Alright. Every time. Is this fluffy? Yes, this is fluffy as well. So you just need to come in. But carry on going round. And I'm just going to put my marker there because that's where his little leg is. And there we go. So he's fluffy. Okay. So he's got it straight, and then he's got hairy knees. I've never seen any. Have you ever seen anyone with hairy knees? I haven't. He's a bit peculiar. He's got cute little feet as well. Strange but cute. There we go. I'm going to come up and round to here. Nice swooping movement. Okay, down to here. That's where his eel's coming in. And I'm going to do his feet again. Stop there. And then I can do this one here. There we go. Oh, computer's going off again. So I need his hands on here. I might draw this arm. So is that going? It's behind his little beard there. His moustache or beard. I think it might be a moustache, isn't it? So at the top. Fingers. Long fingers. There we go. Has he got three fingers and a thumb? Yay. Easier to draw. Like I've said on my other draw-alongs, if you're drawing your own cartoons and you want it to be easier to draw, hands are hard, so draw, it's better draw 3 fingers and a thumb, even though that's not what we have usually. There's this finger. 1, 2, this one here, neither did 4 then. I've been drawing Dennis the Menace, he's got 4. There we go. So let's have a look at some of his facial features now. So he's looking a bit, oh, what's happening? Because the Wantzler is greedy and he's cutting all the trees down. So there we go, his nose comes up there. So he's got different eyes. And this is something I've not seen very often in cartoons. There are his pupils. I like it, but I've not seen it very often. It's a good thing that to do. If you're drawing your own illustration, try different things. Make yours unique. Nothing wrong with that. You can experiment drawing eyes. How many whiskers? He's got whisker things on his eyebrows. He's got 4 on there. So we've got 1 here. And then another one curling round a bit more. And another one that's curling round even more. Where we come in quite close to that one. And then there's one sticking up. Okay. And we're going to do the other side. One there. One there. And here. And one there. So if you like me and you like nature, I'm going to start doing some wildlife nature videos. I could get in the garden, so we're going to be making things I'm going to be making art for the garden and things for animals, wildlife, like bug houses. I'll be filming hedgehogs that visit and birds and different wildlife, see what we get. So you might want to have a look, join the channel. Right, so he's got some eyebrows going on here as well. And that eye has got making him look cute. There. And he's got some fluffy eyebrows. So we're just going to do that because they're fluffy. And then on this side, oh, he's got a lovely little 2 strands of hair there. Ah, that looks good, doesn't it? I like that. Bushy eyebrows. That one actually comes in. There we go. Now then, have I missed anything off? Yes, I have. He's got lines under here. That looks good now, doesn't it? That's really helped to make him look like his mouth's poking out a little bit. I've just noticed this goes in a bit more. He's got lines on his arms. Okay. Not on the other one. Oh. Strange. Right, and he's got lines on his tummy. Just random. And then they start going close together at the bottom. And then even closer here. That's a shading. And then he's got some coming down his legs. Same here. Okay, any more lines on there? No. So, yeah, that's a Lorax. You're very welcome to send me your illustrations and I will share them. I've got another whisker there, I think. There. I'll share them on my Facebook page. In fact, these are longer. A bit longer than that. It's got a nice long. There we go. Yeah, so I'll share them on my Facebook page in my gallery. You can have them featured on there. So that's Captain Cuthbert and Scat the Cat. And if you type that into Facebook, it'll come up. Also, if you want to watch the wildlife videos or some videos on my fur babies, cheeky ones, subscribe to my channel and then you'll get notifications of when I upload new videos. So there'll be new cartoon draw-alongs like this one, and how to make things in the garden, like arty things and nice things like bug houses for wildlife and things like that. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. If you could like this video, that means the video gets shared, recommended to more people by YouTube who may also like them. Any questions, feel free to comment below and ask me. If you would like me to draw a certain cartoon, please let me know in the comments again and I will see what I can do. So I'm going to be doing some videos also on movement, how to make your characters look like they're moving. And I have done a course. There's over 70 videos on there now of different draw-alongs and arty stuff on there for you. So you could have a look at that. Check the playlist out. There's loads of stuff on there. So thank you for watching and hope to see you next time.